Hello and welcome. Today I am working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas, gallery wrapped canvas from Michaels. I am doing another landscape sunset style acrylic painting today. Here I am layering my colors for the sky, then all of the pinks and reds and yellow and the custom coral that I made there. That will represent the sun, sort of in that sunset phase. And I'm going to add the white for contrast, and I'm adding the Prussian blue for contrast as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'll let you enjoy this video and talk to you again during the wet result. Here is the wet result. I am loving these landscape sunsets that I am doing. They are so beautiful. I am learning to create more movement within my fluid art paintings. So not only am I practicing, but I am learning so much more in relative to my other fluid art paintings and fluid art techniques that I do. So I didn't like the gentle heather up top here. That was the really light purple that I used. I didn't like that as much up top mixed with the light blue and the Prussian blue and white. So I was more than happy to tilt that off, add some more light blue there, and added a little bit of white and left some of the Prussian blue there to add contrast and depth and movement. I just love how it flows throughout the painting. I just love how it flows throughout the composition. And I cannot wait to do my next one, which will be a seascape. So I'm going to use beautiful blues and a really light turquoise green, so I can create all those beautiful rays of colors that you see in the ocean or water. So stay tuned for that one. And thank you for watching.